Say baby, climb the mansion. If you were a star.
If I did it all again, I would give like 10%. You deserve like half of that. I'ma need my money back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see by the title, I have another wig for you guys, and this wig was sent to me from Tinashe Hair. And they sent me this wig. It's in 16 inches. It's a 13x4 all black wig, and the lace was super nice. Everything was good. I already had I went in and plucked the wig, and then I bleached the knots as well. Now, as far as to the lace, the knots were there. You can definitely see the knots, but they weren't as bad. But I went ahead and bleached them. And then as far as to the wig being pre-plucked, it was definitely pre-plucked, but I went and plucked it to my liking, as you can see. Just a little bit, not too much, because it's already pre-plucked, as I said. But yeah, this wig is super lovely. I love the packaging that it came in as well. Super cute and neat. And then it has their socials on the back here. And then they gave me like a bag of goodies, just lashes and stuff to do my hair with, basically. This wig was super good. I love this wig. I think that they have the best body wave wigs because I've worked with them before. And they have the best body wave wigs. So if you're looking for something short, simple, and cute, definitely go with this wig. 16 inches is perfect. It's very simple, very easy to do. Not much work done to this wig other than plucking a little bit and bleaching the knots. But other than that, let's get right into the install. I don't want to waste no time, because y'all see how good this wig look, and I'm about to show y'all how I achieve this look. But yeah, let's get right to the install.
Say baby, climb the mansion. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. All the girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down. Cause we got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good love, come through the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind to the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, them down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and put you in the tones. Say baby, climb the mansion. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. All the girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, they on you. You got nothing on you. Good love, cause you the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind to the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, shut down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and put you in the tons. Say baby, cause I demand you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a studio working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hoping not too busy. There's nothing wrong. Now this little song.